magandang araw. Magandang araw. So, kasi makikita nyo kasi yung video ko. I think morning or night time. So, I'm here sa favorite spot ko sa SM, sa Dunkin. I'm having my large coffee and I have 2 donut. Kagagaling ko lang actually sa office. Accomplish ko naman ang trabaho today. So, walang lakaran ngayon na mangyayari. It's a talking vlog. I accomplished a very good target or goal today. So, nagawa ko ang trabaho ko sa office. Kanina siguro mga 7:07 pala ako in the morning dumating sa office. Yun, start agad. And then in the afternoon, I prepare yung mga documentary requirements. Pina-follow up ko sa accreditation para for this is ng maganda kong friend na consultant. So, as sort of approved na siya, we just need to submit additional license for the lab and also the non-disclosure agreement. So, yun na lang pala na naprohenin ma-process na siya. Hopefully, we will be starting this month, mga end of this day. Anyways, I'm so much happy kasi nag-accomplish ako today. Dami kong nagawa. So, I think I will be busy. Of accomplishing things in life. So, actually, kinain ko na kanina yung butternut with iced coffee. Ngayon ako, hindi ko alam ano to. Pangalan. It's like a premium though. This is one of their classic premium. Yun yung alam mo naman sa Dunkin, may premium and may classic. So, of course, the price is high for the premium donut. So, I think 30 peso pag premium it's 40 peso. Anyways, yun na siya. Masarap. Parang siyang kaya yung blue. Ano siya, parang may chewing gum siya na nakakain. Masarap. Ganyan yung camera ko. Para at least makikita niyo yung tao sa background na dumadaan. Para hindi boring. Para hindi lang always mukha. Hindi ko alam, ipupunta sa SM yung mga kasamahan ko. Nag-message ako. Hindi sila na-grupo. Anyways, yun na, I hope yung business ventures ng friend ko will be successful. And I know it will become successful. Need ko pa i-prepare yung mga things for signature tomorrow. Nagtatanong pa ako kung magkano yung pagpapanotarize. I hope magkaka 10 million ako every month. 10 million every month. Pumapasok sa ATM. Ngayon, may pumapasok. Meron ng 10 million sa ATM ko. Money testing. Ngayon kumain ng Ngayon, gusto ko kumain ng tinolang fish or seafoods. Yung gusto kong kain. Actually, kaninang morning, kasi I'm so sleepy sa work. Nag-ano talaga ako. Nag-time pa ako mag-order sa Dunkin Donut ng large shot at iced coffee para dilatin na ako. It really helps me. Hindi ko alam yung bakit. Siguro as you age, you of course, as you age, you will not be young anymore. pressure age, may mga pagbabago, may mga changes sa life. Kasi dati kasi hindi ako inaantok pag morning o baka mataas lang talaga sugar ko. As in, kahapon antok talaga ako nap talaga ako ng ilang minutes kasi hindi kaya ng mata ko. And then, kanina, kasi parang gusto na naman ipanap, ay sabi ko hindi. Kaya I tempted na mag-order ng ganito. Kaya yun, naka-order ako and then dilat ang mata ko. But, hindi dilat ang mata ko, but, ay naku, so expensive. Parang I paid 150 pesos for Maxine delivery ng dumpling kasi wala siya sa Food Panda. And also wala siya sa Grab. So, Maxine lang siya. So, 150 pesos for the large iced coffee. Pero include na doon yung delivery. Binigyan ko na lang ng 120 kasi kawawa naman si usually. I have a really soft heart for those who are really hardworking. Pero sa akin walang nagsa-soft heart. Bigyan ko ng pera. I hope yung background ng SM hindi ako makaka-copyright. My God! Diyan na naman sila. Pero feeling ko hindi talaga siya makaka-copyright. I hope so. Kasi I need to upload this video tonight. Kasi wala na akong mga premiere for the next day. Guys. Hi guys! Hindi ko alam kung makaka-copyright. So anyways, yun nga. Nandito pa na ako sa SM. Matraffic kasi ngayon. So, siguro bang 1 hour din ako sa daan pag uwi ako. But, yun ako may uwi na ako. Kaya hindi sila magpunta dito because it's already 6:15 in the evening. Tomorrow is Friday. Ano na pala, nakakasa na pala tayo ng month for January 2025. And I think it's a good start. Although, it's a good start of the year. Although, madaming work, loaded sa work, but I really love it. I am so much grateful about it. Kasi at least I have work. At least, naka-establish na ako ng work sa government. And I am so much thankful for that, guys. So, kahit ano mangyari sa life, kahit chaotic ang environment, madaming stress, but you have to find things that will make you happy, even in little ways. Especially if I think sa family ang purpose mo, you will feel happy about it. You always to give back to your family. Although hindi naman always na dapat hindi mo lahat, but I think for the happiness, so go lang. Kasi God will provide if you are doing good things. And also for those people na nakakapastress sa'yo, nakakairita, just don't mind them. Just focus on your goal, focus on your work, and always give your best shot in every opportunity that you will have, especially sa workplace. So, always be focused. Kasi I know there are so much cute na naman nangyayari. Hindi na lang naman sa office, but sa labas, yung mga experiences natin sa life, you just have to see the opportunity in every situation. Although it's chaotic or stressful, but there's always a purpose for that. And I think mas maganda mag-focus ka sa family or always pray, focus kay God, and you will never go wrong. So it will just be a talking vlog on what had happened today and also yung mga insights for inspiring thoughts. Maraming salamat sa pamanood sa vlog ko while having my iced coffee. And also, thank you so much for the support, and please do subscribe on my YouTube channel. Pabutin ako ng 1 million. Thank you so much guys. See you on my next vlog. Have a great day. Bye!